Understanding LLC Operating Agreements, a comprehensive guide. Limited liability companies, LLCs, are an increasingly popular choice among entrepreneurs and small business owners in the United States. One key document that plays a vital role in the formation and operation of an LLC is the operating agreement. This article delves deep into what an LLC operating agreement is, its significance, the essential components to include, and its implications for business operations. What is an LLC operating agreement? An LLC operating agreement is a legal document that customizes the internal structure and operational framework of a limited liability company according to its member-specific needs. While it bears similarity to articles of incorporation used in corporations, its primary purpose is to outline the financial and functional decision-making protocols within the LLC. Importance of an LLC operating agreement. Although drafting an operating agreement is not mandated by law in most states, it is an essential element of LLC formation. The absence of this document means that your business will default to the rules set by state law, which may not align with the operational needs of your company. Thus, having an operating agreement is not just a formality, it provides clarity, structure, and legal protections for the members involved. How LLC operating agreements work. An LLC operates as a hybrid business entity, offering the benefits of both a partnership and a corporation. Members enjoy pass-through taxation, which means that profits are taxed only at the individual level, and limited liability, which protects personal assets from the liabilities of the business. Why create an operating agreement? Many businesses overlook establishing an operating agreement due to its optional status in many states. However, creating one serves several purposes. Clarification of internal rules, it delineates the rights and responsibilities of each member. Protection from personal liability, establishes a legal boundary between the business and individual owners, safeguarding personal assets from creditors. Succession planning, codifies the rules surrounding ownership transfer, should a member decide to leave or pass away. Key components of an LLC operating agreement. An effective LLC operating agreement should include several critical elements. 1. Ownership structure, define each member's ownership interest expressed as a percentage. 2. Responsibilities and rights, clarify what each member is responsible for and their voting rights. 3. Management and operations. Detail the management structure, member-managed or manager-managed. Outline procedures for meetings and voting. 4th, profit and loss distribution, describe how profits and losses will be allocated among members. 5. Buyout provisions, establish rules regarding the buyout process when a member wants to leave or in the event of a member's death. 6. Definitions and intent, include specific definitions of terms used in the agreement and outline the purpose of the business. Additional considerations. While many of the above topics fall under a boilerplate section of an operating agreement, each document should be tailored to fit the unique requirements of the LLC. The specifics can differ significantly depending on the nature of the business and the personal preferences of the members. FAQs about LLC operating agreements. 1. Do I need a business plan if I have an operating agreement? While there is no legal requirement for an LLC to have a business plan, having one provides clear goals, strategies, and performance assessments that can help ensure the success of the company. 2. Does an LLC have shares of stock? No, unlike corporations that issue stock shares, an LLC operates through membership interests rather than shares. Members have the right to participate in profits and management. 3. What's the difference between a partnership and an LLC? A partnership does not require formal documentation but comes with personal liability for debts. In contrast, an LLC offers limited liability protections to its members. 4. Can an LLC operating agreement be amended? Yes, amendments are generally permissible, but the procedures must be outlined in the operating agreement itself. Default rules apply if no specific amendment process is defined. Final thoughts. An LLC operating agreement is not just a mere formality but a vital document that establishes the terms and conditions governing your business operations. It protects members by delineating roles, responsibilities, and rights while providing a roadmap for managing the LLC effectively. Whether you're forming a new LLC or reviewing an existing agreement, taking the time to draft a comprehensive operating agreement can significantly impact the long-term success and stability of your business.